Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your Ford F-250 diesel. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You will need about 13 quarts of fresh, diesel-rated engine oil, typically 10W30 or 5W40, along with a new oil filter. Don't forget a large drain pan, a funnel, and the correct wrench for your drain plug. Safety glasses, gloves, and shop rags are also crucial for a clean and safe job. Now that you have your supplies, let's get started. Begin by running your truck's engine for about 5 to 10 minutes to warm the oil, making it flow out more efficiently. Next, carefully position your large oil drain pan beneath the oil pan's drain plug. Using the correct wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all 13 quarts of old oil to drain fully into the pan. This step might take several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate and remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Spin on the new filter until it's hand-tight. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 19 foot-pounds. Finally, use your funnel to add approximately 13 quarts of new diesel engine oil into the engine's fill cap. You're almost done. Start your engine and let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. This circulates the fresh oil throughout the system and fills the new filter. While it's running, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait for 10 minutes to allow the oil to settle, then check the oil level on your dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.